Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up volume discount in Odoo. So to set up volume discounts, like a quantity based pricing in this platform, you use price lists with quantity rules, and this allows prices to automatically drop when customers buy more units. So actually guys, first you will need to enable the price lists, and to do that you will need to go to the sales right here, configuration option at the top, and then go with the settings. So here guys, you will need to go to the pricing section and enable the price lists option, so just check mark it, right? And once finished, just go with save here. And now guys, you will need to create or open a price list. So just go to the product at the top here, it's between two invoice option reporting, and go with the price lists. So here you will need just to go with a new one. And for example, you will need to go with retail volume discounts or wholesale tire pricing. Okay, so inside the price list you will need to go with add line here and set the rules based on minimum quantity, right? So this one. So, for example, the volume discount table includes between 1 and 4 units, $20, 5 to 9 units, $18, and between the 10 and 49 units, 15, and more than 15 units, 12, right? So that's an example. So now how to configure each rule. For each line, you will need to go with, for example, this one, you can go with one quantity, and on the fixed price, we'll go with 20, right? And go with save and close, add line, and here for 2 or 5, you can go with 15, right? Then go with save and new, and here you can go with, for example, 10, here 15, right? And just like that. So actually guys, that's it. Just go with save manually, give it a name and save it manually. So actually this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.